Good morning. This is Dinesh Shukla from Fundamental Research. I'll be discussing about the market outlook. So, the unexpected move by the US Federal Reserve to begin tapering of the monetary stimulus under the quantitative easing program jolted the financial markets globally. As a part of knee-jerk reaction, there was unwinding of the leveraged dollar carry trades, which pumped up the bond yields, strengthened the dollar, and led to withdrawal of money from the risky assets. India also suffered its share of collateral damage with the sudden outflow of about $7.5 billion from the Indian debt markets, and that led to rupee falling beyond 60 levels. The deterioration in the Chinese economic data and the re-emergence of issues in some of the European nations also weakened the sentiments. However, this has given government an opportunity to take some radical policy moves. In past few weeks, government has taken certain key decisions, such as taking decision on the gas pricing formula, which makes investment in the oil and gas sector more attractive. It also tried to sort out certain issues in the power sector, such as fuel pricing, fuel availability, etc. So therefore, in the current compelling circumstances, government may take some key decisions which could help economy. We believe in the coming monsoon session, government may try to push some of the bills, such as land bill or insurance bill, which could help economy going ahead. We believe that RBI is likely to retain its cautious stance. In the coming monetary policy review in the month of July, we expect RBI to largely maintain its stance. We do not expect any repo rate or CRR cuts. So therefore, this will actually delay the recovery in the economy, as the investment cycle remains quite tepid. On the earnings front, we believe that the Q1 earnings will actually show a marginal decline compared to last year. Therefore, given the external environment and domestic economy situation, we believe that there is room for further downgrade in the consensus corporate consensus earning estimates. So, in the current scenario, we believe that global events are going to play a larger role. The global events have pushed the market towards the lower end of its multi-month trading range of 5,600 to 6,100. However, the benchmark indices are stabilizing after the initial knee-jerk reaction. In the immediate term, the continued pressure on rupee remains key risk to inflation, which might delay the monetary easing by RBI and put further stress on already stretched corporate balance sheets. However, the valuation is quite reasonable, with 1 year forward PE of around 13.8 times, which is 5% discount to long-term average. Consequently, the benchmark indices are likely to consolidate within a broader range with increased volatility. Thank you.